This is your boy T.O. and I want to give you a quick shout out, man, to my fam at Sound FX in Delaware, who is up for the Retailer of the Year award. Hey, like me, they have put together a Hall of Fame career and will do whatever it takes to win. Go ahead and don't forget to get that popcorn ready.
Now to announce the Retail of the Year runner-up single store. The winner is Sound Effects, Lewis, Delaware. Say they know me though, cause I'll be putting in work. Commit my life to rebirth, well respected, cause that's my word. And I'm sure you heard about a new sound gone round. She might have left my hood, but she was born in my town. You didn't know how we was new on the scene. It's alright, it's alright. I know you know, I see you smiling at me. It's alright, it's alright. Here comes the ready or not. Here comes the boys for the sound. Here comes the ready or not. Talking about, I'm not running out my mouth. I know this without a doubt, cause if you know these streets, then these streets know you. And when it's time to handle business, then we know what to do. Me and my crew, we stay true, old school and new. Many will call, but the chosen a few. We rise to the top, what you want, just in case you forgot. Rush the stage, grab my mic, show me what you got. You didn't know that we was new on the scene. It's alright, it's alright. I know you know, I see you smiling at me. It's alright, it's alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. And now, for the Mobile Electronics Magazine judges watching across the country, we have Sound FX of Delaware taking on the reigning retail champion of the world from Virginia Beach, Virginia. It's time!
It's alright. Here comes the ready or not. Here comes the boys from the sound. Here comes the...
Oh, they are exchanging like Don Fry and Takayama.
Wineland goes to the body, into the head.
He got hit. Look at the finish it.
God! Wow! Wow! He looks very tired, Mike. His arms just swollen up with blood. He might have a problem here. That's all! It's all over! Wow! Are you kidding me? That's the craziest thing I've ever seen in 1,000 fights! Wow! Just absolutely incredible.
The new undisputed champion of the world, Sound FX.
Hey guys, it's Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, 6-time NBA champ. I'd like to tell Solomon Daniels and all the judges, thank you for giving back to the industry. Sound FX exhibits the same passion and drive as I do, and I wish you all the best of luck for Retailer of the Year.